Hi guys, I'm back. I wasn't gonna do this video, but I opened this and this is gorgeous. I'm gonna move this way so I'm in the middle. Okay, I'm Mick and I hope you like my video. I'm doing an unboxing from a bundle I got off of Poshmark. I ordered me something, I think it's a jacket maybe that I don't know if anybody will like or not, and then I can't remember what the other thing was. But I mostly ordered all this because I wanted the hoodie. I think that's this package. And it's from Poshmark. And she recycled a box. Chance? No. She recycled a box, which I love because this is not, you know, it's posh. See? So, I started to open it and then I saw this and I about died. So I had to stop so you guys could see. Okay, look at that. Yeah, super cute, right? I had to stop and share. And I'm gonna throw that over there. And so this, look how glittery. First of all, the bow. Yeah, that is literally a bow. I have a card here stuck under the bow. Look at the little diamondy things. I'll show you maybe when I get it off better. The bow is wrapped all the way around. The netting is netted. Gorgeous. I had to share. So, now I'm going to try to open this. Oh, it's two bows. I see. She went around twice. It's like, see, here's a bow. And here's the bow. Okay. Super duper cute. Oh my word. Yeah. And it's just simply tied into bows too. It's not even, I'm just literally untying. I love it. And this was just only tied down. Oh, I see. Okay. Thank you for shopping in my closet. I hope you love these 3 pieces. Enjoy and happy poshing. And then her closet name. And then these are earrings. Can you guys see the little... Yeah. And the paper is really pretty. That's so cute. Right? Yeah. So, time to open my package. Okay, first I see the hoodie I wanted. It's pink by Victoria's Secret. Or not a hoodie, but a sweatshirt. I just thought this was so cute. Isn't that cute? Oh, you can't even see the... and it smells nice. With an 86 on the back. It's... the netting's out there. This is very good material. It's got the... Oh, I love it. I hope this fits me. I like this a lot. And it smells good. Not like perfume good, but clean air good or something. Okay. So, also, this is like this jacket thing I ordered. By Rubber Ducky Products Incorporated. I don't know, it just looked really cute in the picture. And since there was a bundle deal going on, not even a jacket, is it? Yeah, I think so. Oh, it buttons up. So, I think it's a top. Got this stuff going on. And the feel of it, holy cow. Like leather? Silk? I don't know what material this is. Let me look. Well, I don't see, but all that came undone real easily, didn't it? Well, if you're wearing it, it's not going to, but since I had it all kinds of crazy. Yeah, I don't see the material tag, but this is like, feels like leather or something. Okay, and then last but not least, which looked gorgeous, which my daughter may love, is by, it says wearing your heart on your sleeve. Aw, and it's extra small. Isn't that so cute? It's like definitely holes. You definitely have to wear something underneath. I don't know if you never heard of them, but I really thought this was super cute, and I thought my daughter might love it. So she had a bundle special going on, and of course I took advantage of that. Plus, when I order on Poshmark, I would rather order more than one thing from someone because the shipping is a flat rate, and selling on eBay, I obviously know like a shirt, just like a t-shirt or something, is $3 around about, you know, to ship. So when I get just a t-shirt on Poshmark, I really hate the whole $6.49. So that's why. Yeah. And I hope you guys liked the video. I just really wanted to share that. My kitten. See? This is Ivy. She's very playful. She's the baby. She was born mid-July. She's about 3 months old. She just don't seem like she's growing. She loves to follow me around and work with me on my laptop. But anyways, so yes, that was my Poshmark order. I hope you liked the video. I just had to share. The wrapping was gorgeous. And yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching, guys. Thumbs up. Bye.